Hello lovelies, I'm so excited for this collab with the wonderful Celeste Rochelle at Mystic Magnolia, and what we're doing in this video, this is going to be my sort of unboxing video for the items that she sent me. And I'm filming overhead so that you can see my reaction here while I look at what's going on down here. Here's what I think we're gonna do. We're gonna open it up and show you what's inside. I actually don't know what's in here, which is kind of like, wah! But I do know that there should be 2 kits for Mystic Magnolia and 1 kit from a mystery shop and a mystery kit that I don't know about, because that was a surprise. In our collab, we didn't want to just showcase our businesses and our products, but we wanted to showcase some from other shops on Etsy. So, pull tab to open. We're just gonna throw that on the floor for now. And then, oh my goodness, look at those eyes. Okay, empty. You guys, is that not me in a cartoon? These big ol' eyes, oh my goodness. Life is full of firsts. Here's one for you. Isn't that cute? Oh, little shark. Of course, I can only think of the song. I won't go any further. Okay, it says thank you for everything. A little jellyfish and an octopus. Cool. Let's open this up so you can see these without the glare. And some purple washi. If you don't know, Mystic Magnolia is all about the purple. So very on brand for her. And a nice plastic cellophane that's clear. Good, good, good. Okay, let's get in here. Thank you for everything. Lady, thank you so much for collabing with me. I hope you enjoy your stickers. Let me know your favorite. Heart Celeste at I can't talk today. Celeste at Mystic Magnolia. Awesome. So this is a note from her on a sticky note that I used to sell from the Bloom collection. Okay, so first, thank you for everything. I believe you can see that. Yes, you can. Okay, so this is for our November 2nd, 22nd upload. And this, oh, from the Tea Light Corner. Oh my goodness. I follow her on Instagram. This is one of my favorites. Oh, I didn't read this. Thanks, this is a kit from my shop, Enjoy, yes, from Mystic Magnolia, okay. And then this one's from the Tea Light Corner, one of my favorite sticker shops, Tea Light Corner. Lauren is amazing for October 4th, so this is gonna be the first one we do. Oh my goodness, Lauren is amazing. Shout out to Lauren. Love your stuff. I've been following you on Instagram for a while now, and you are awesome. Okay, oh, the Vintage Bloom. I love that name. Like, not even looking at what's in here, I just love the name Vintage Bloom. Oh, and the Post-its from my Bloom collection. It was like it was just meant to be. Okay. Enjoy. So, October 18. Awesome. I have that on video so that I'll remember for later. Okay, so, oh, one more thing, and this guy. Another journaling card. So I think it's kind of cool. You can make these into little thank you notes and have a little journaling card that you can put in your planner. You can put it as a dashboard. You can do a lot of things with those. In this unboxing, the 3 kits that I received are the Vintage Bloom by Mystic Magnolia, the All the Thanks by Mystic Magnolia, and the Let's Stay Home by Tea Light Corner. So like and subscribe, and as each video comes out, I'll definitely leave links to all the products. I'll leave links to all of these in the description box below as well. Before we get started, we gotta put lotion on our hands, lotion on our hands. Air traffic control. This way, 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 this way. Got a little intense, but that's me. I may or may not include that in the bloopers.